I'm sorry.
Okay. Which one you want, my love?
I want the blue treasure.
Once upon a time, there was a planet very far away from our galaxy home. Its name was Earth, and it was rotating around its own axis and around its sun. The planet Earth was famous for its beautiful variety of colors and its habitable nature. The planet Earth was full of vivid colors, clean air, and transparent water, clear as glass, white big clouds, and plenty of beautiful creatures of a variety of species. The sun was warm on days, and the moon was bright at nights.
You said vivid colors, Mommy.
Like red, green, blue, yellow, orange, and many others.
Wow, blue is my favorite.
Yes, it's my favorite too.
I like these creatures as well. They are quite entertaining and make lots of funny noises, like this one.
Yes, that is true. It is called bee, and it is used to have a very significant role in the environment, as it was one of the main factors supplying food on the anthropoids.
What is an anthropoid, Mommy?
It looks something like this one.
It looks a bit like us.
In terms of structure, yes, that is true, but mainly they had different interests and they were enjoying their life in a different way than we do right now.
What is this?
That is a large natural elevation from the Earth's surface. It is like a big hill. The proper name is mountain, and they were so high that you could see the horizon from distance, and sometimes you could touch the clouds.
When water was falling from mountains, the waterfalls was one of the most fascinating things for anthropoids to explore. Also, at the edges of the surface, there was another type of water called sea, and usually anthropoids were laying down on the sand to enjoy the warmth of the sun.
Then what happened, Mommy?
Anthropoids used to have everything. Their mother nature provided them with every natural treasure you can think of. Unfortunately, some of them did not have the ability to see that the smallest mistake could unfold into the biggest disasters. To maintain their life, they had to consume a variety of substances that provided them with the proper nutrition and vitamins. But many times, they could not understand which of them were good and in which point they had to stop. On the altar of pleasure, many creatures were sacrificed by being caused severe pain and finally extinct.
Mommy, I don't understand how this is possible. May a small insignificant thing can cause the biggest destructions.
One of the major flaws this species had was the fact that the short-term pleasure was most of the time chosen than the long-term benefit. Lack of interest, no concern, and above all, lack of proper knowledge can bring catastrophic results.
And how did their mother nature react?
Well, Mother Nature showed many times that she couldn't endure this behavior, but of course it was shown in her own way.
These pictures show the very negative impact to their one and unique home. Mother Nature couldn't breathe at the end. At the end, catastrophic events started happening from their own hands. The water started to disappear, animals started to extinct, and nature started dying. Their kind strived to stay alive, and they suffered many hardships. Food was not easy to be found. The air was not breathable anymore for them. They lost their sanity. Earth became a place of loneliness, full of waste rubbish, and the colors lost their brightness.
That's very unfortunate for them. I wonder what they could have done in a different way. As this book shows, they looked smart, and they had every source of survival in their hands.
That is correct. This is why that book was created, to show to our kind what behaviors we have to avoid so to ensure our survival. What they've had to do is to appreciate every drop of treasure that Mother Nature provided them and not overuse it. Stop using chemicals and creating products that had a negative impact in their home. And start using materials and products that were more friendly in the environment. Plant-based food could have made Earth more breathable and more energy would have been saved. Their kind could have had it all, happiness and abundance in all forms.
Mummy, how did they survive?
Them? No, they did not survive, but we did.